Hello guys, welcome back for another video. So here I am showing you the support ticket dashboard which I've designed. So here you can see the insight for the ticket data represents data into graphical and understand situation in couple of seconds. So here you can see the preview of the data. Here you can find the ticket ID, creation date, resolution date, priority status and description. So now look down and see this ticket by status. It shows the overall status of the ticket. So you can have the percentage and the status shows the status in progress, shows the status on hold, it's open and it's showing the close status. So it is showing the random amount and the percentage. Let's go down with the ticket priority and see you have the low priority, high priority, medium and critical as well. It shows the resolution time down below. You can see the resolution timings it's showing in the value and in the count. So you can have the quick view for the resolutions. It shows the correlation heat map. So in this time in this data set there is no correlation showing, but here if there is any fluctuation you will have it here. So it is showing the resolution time by priority. So it shows the critical, high, low, medium with the priority wise the resolution time. So whenever you hover it, you will find the resolution time is showing 15.60899. So here down you can see the tickets over time, data-wise ticket and their count. Here you can see the count of the tickets, how much it is, and you can find the date here, the creation date. So you can always select the date you if you want to have the particular days or the month, so you can select it. And if you would like to order the one or you would like to make one for you, you can always contact with me. Thank you for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.